Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how to provide Agentforce agent access to a particular user. For example, I have created a employee agent in Salesforce and it is named as my employee agent, and I want to provide this agent access to a particular user, for example to my user, right? So and we, for example, we should see the Agentforce icon in here, right? So since the Agentforce agent action means agent access is not given for my user, that is why I'm not currently seeing that Agentforce agent icon in the actions, right? So we could do this like different approaches. We can provide the access from the profiles, but it is better to use the permission set following the best practices, right? So currently we can use one of the permission set already exist out of the box, which is like access Agentforce default agent, right? So we can just utilize this permission set by cloning this permission set, since this is a standard and we can't make any changes, right? So we can just clone the permission set. I can just create a new permission set as well. We can just provide the name as, for example, new. I can just append the name as new, and so we just need to scroll down and we can see this agent access, right? So we can create a new permission set as well. Means for example, I am showing like cloning an existing permission set, but we can create a new permission set and we can just provide the agent access as well, right? So the configurations are same, and we just need to click on this agent access, and I just need to click this edit button, right? And we could see all of our available agent that needs to be enabled for the user, right? So I have enabled this, provided it in right conditions in the right panel, enabled agent. I can just save, right, permission set configurations, and our configurations is done, but we just need to provide this permission set access for a given user. So we just need to click on this manage assignment, and we just need to click on add assignment, and in here I'll just search for my user, for example Pariplab, and I'll just check the checkbox, and I'll just scroll down a little bit and assign this permission set to my user, right? And finally we just need to click on done. So our assignments are done. So now I'll just go to this page and I'll just refresh the page, and we can see this Agentforce agent icon is now being visible, right? So we could see our employee agent is being shown, and we can just see these different action items are added, right? So currently I am working on different use cases on Agentforce as well, right? Different use cases. I'll going to create tutorials on that use cases of Agentforce, so please stay tuned, and please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, and please please hype this video, and if you please consider take my membership into my channel. That will be helpful for my for me to create more videos for you, right? It will motivate me to create more videos for you. So that's all for today's demo. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.